Welcome to The Explainer. Today we are breaking down the most common 3D printing filaments. So you've got a 3D printer, but what materials should you actually use? Let's dive right in. Okay, first up is the starter filament. It's the one pretty much everyone begins with. This is polylactic acid, or PLA. It's super user-friendly, really the perfect place to start printing. It's great for things like quick prototypes, making models, or just general objects you might need. But what if your project needs something a little extra? Let's check out the specialty filaments. Need something flexible? That's where TPU comes in. It's designed to bend and stretch, not break. So think about things like gaskets, some equipment parts, or even custom phone cases. It's perfect. And this is cool. If you want that wood-like look and feel, this composite is the way to go. Okay, but what if you need some real strength? Let's level up to the tougher materials. Meet PLA+. Think of it as PLA's tougher sibling. It offers way more strength and resilience. It's a fantastic all-rounder for jobs where you just need that extra bit of high resistance. Another really strong option is PETG. This one's a workhorse for those more industrial-type applications. Now, one thing to know about PEG, it's not really for pretty prints. It's all about strength. And finally, we have the pro's choice. This is for the really high-performance, industrial-level stuff. We're talking about ABS. This is a super robust filament for seriously demanding industrial parts. But be warned, printing with ABS isn't simple. It has some very specific requirements. Yeah, you're gonna need a high skill level, and your printer really should have a closed chamber. So to wrap it all up, here's a quick look at everything, a perfect little cheat sheet. So now that you have all this info, what are you going to build? Go make something amazing.